Well, I just got back from 9 days in Europe, and that was pretty cool. Germany's a beautiful country. South America was also a very special place. I went down there on vacation, not business. So I would say Argentina and maybe Germany. Well, I think it's fun. I think we give people really good projects to work on. I think things change, new technologies. It's a work hard, play hard environment. So I would think that, if I was like a software engineer coming out of school, I think I would love to work at a place like this. It's not stuffy. It's not a big company with all these big policies. And we have a saying around here, if we don't like the rules, we just change them. The best concert, well, when I was young, I went to AC/DC and had a blast. And I was never a fan until I got talked into going to this concert, and that was Celine Dion in Vegas. And she was amazing. This woman can sing like nobody else. So I enjoyed that. I try to challenge everybody. My favorite word is why, because people say, we can't do that. And my immediate response is, why? Why can't we do that? So, I think from that perspective, that's just the way I look at things. Oh, billions. Yeah, and before that, it was Homeland. So I definitely binge watched both of those.
Pretend we're having an argument.
Hire great people that are smarter than you and more passionate than you are, and they will make you successful. And I've tried to do that. And if you look around, I'm not the smartest guy in the room, never have been and never will be, but I was smart enough to figure out that you hire great people. And we have great people here.